Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Wendy Lee, and today I am here with the final installment of the Witches Brigade. Before we get started with the Witches Brigade for week 4, I want to take you back to last week. I have a little video for you. It's an update on my wand. Here we go. Okay, here's the update to the wand. Ignore the mess that I have here on my desk. I just opened up a birthday challenge entry from Gift Diva. So that's what you're seeing there. But I wanted to update you on my wand because I'm probably going to be sending it out before I do my haunted house video. So I wanted to tell you like the changes that I made to it. So if you guys watched A Day in My Life, which is Wanda, if you watched her wand video from last week, you would have seen that she used these, I think they're meant to be like tongs from Dollar Tree. And I was like, oh my gosh, that will, because my little straw was like not enough to hold my wand up. But you guys know I made my wand so last minute because everything I was going through that week. So I decided to cut out my straw and I used the tongs. And so what I did was, I'm going to show you the whole wand, but I'm going to show you the bottom first. So on the Frank Garcia side, I put the front of the tongs, and I took these little like bracelets from 99-cent only store and I tied it on, and then I put a ring, and then I put some little gemmies on the fingers so it looks like her hand is painted, like her nails are painted. And then on the Hey Pumpkin side, because the wand, the hands aren't double-sided, I put just some ribbons. So yeah, I did change my wand up a little bit, and now it is so much more sturdier, and it's kind of fun to hold it because it's like you're holding a skeleton's hand when you hold the wand. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys the update on the wand, and that's what it looks like now. And I'm going to be giving it away in one of my swaps. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, back to the other video. Okay, bye. Okay, so now that you've seen that, now we are here for week 4. And this week it is a haunted house. So you had to either, create a 3D haunted house or create a shadow box. And it just had to be in a haunted house theme. And you could decorate it any way you wanted, Pastel-Halloween, traditional, creepy, whatever you wanted to do. It was crafter's choice. So before we get started with it, I wanted to share, some of the things that I'm wearing, and then as we go through, I will also share with you some of the products that I use, so that in case you're wondering, because I know when I'm watching videos, I'm always like, where'd you get that? Where'd you get that? So I've got my creepy gloves on again, which I will share with you. These I got from Amazon in a 2-pack. I want to say they were like $8.99 or $9.99. They also come with a pair that's like spider webs that are sheer. They look really cool, and I just thought these would be fun for this. Don't mind I'll tell you how I got that on me. I thought it would be fun for these videos, but then also like passing out candies to kids with like spooky nails on, just a little added touch for fun. And then speaking of nails, this week I used some of the nails that I got from Walmart. So these are the Impress Color Limited Edition number 85950. I will see if I can link them for you below, but like I said, I went inside and got them in Walmart. Maybe I'll be able to find them for you like on Ulta or Amazon. I don't know if I'll see if they have them on Walmart, but I think they're called Dark Room. And I really love these. They're just press-ons. There's no glue. Like, let me show you in case you've never tried these before. They work really good. Let's see. So you got a little tab here that you just peel off, and then you just press it on, and they can last up to a week. So there's that. So those are fun. And then I'm going to show you the haunted house, and then I'll talk about some of these items. Okay, so here we go. Here's my haunted house, guys. I wanted my haunted house to be just like super busy, super fun, super random. I had done a lot of Halloween craft shopping this year, and I had a lot of supplies, and I wanted to just like incorporate as many as I could. So I have this like haunted house kind of like structure here, and it was, I didn't paint the back of it, so it was that color on the back. So what I did was I painted it with this folk art in the color Minted Aqua number 4621, and it's just acrylic paint. And then I let it dry. Actually, I did 2 coats of that, and then I let it dry. Then I took a fan brush and I took this black matte Waverly chalk paint, and what I did was I went into the corners of it with the brush. I like put some on the brush, dabbed it off a little bit, and went into the corners and just brushed up and down kind of sloppily, so it kind of looked like moldy and old and creepy and decrepit in there. So you can see like way back in the corners. I even did it on the top too. And then I also wanted to try out my Nuvo Mica Mist in the pink, so I did spray that on. You might be able to see it back there a little bit. One thing that really bugged me about this is it got clogged really quick. If you what was that? Okay, sorry, my hubby was talking to me. It got really clogged. It got clogged like so fast. So if you guys use that stuff, let me know what's a trick to either make it so that it doesn't get clogged, or like how to unclog it, because it's been such a pain. And then I also wanted to give it like a little bit of shimmer, and so I used my spray glitter that I got at Walmart. I got this like in the section where the glitter is, and it's just spray glitter and sealer in one, and it's gold. So I sprayed that in there too. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but I wanted it to like, and I did it kind of all over. So just for it to be fun and glittery. So let's go to the top. So I took I got these from Joann's. They're actually beads, and I just glued them on the top. I got this black glitter skull. It was part of a pick from the 99-cent only store, and I just glued it in the top like this, like the skeleton is like looking over everybody. And I glued some gemmies for the eyes, and I glued a bow on, and then I glued another bow underneath. And then back here is kind of like the ghosts lair. That's where all the ghosts live, like that's their main hub. And then I put like it's like a sequin spider web. And then here I use, this is from Michael's. It came in a 3-pack. And then there's one of the books that I made. I have a tutorial on my channel on how you can make those with all the supplies and everything that I used. And then in the back is Dollar Tree. No, is that Dollar Tree? It might be 99-cent only store tool, spiderweb tool. So I just cut out a circle and like glued it on the back and then put a spider on it. And then over here, this, I don't know what this is, but I just put a bunch of skeletons in there dancing. They're super funny. I love them. And then I just used one of my cabochon bezels and put a cat in it from the Frank Garcia collection, and just like it was a picture on the wall. I don't know. That one's kind of like iffy. And then down here we have a graveyard. So I got this pack of headstones from Michael's, and then this is Dollar Tree. It's called Reindeer Moss, and I just used some distress ink to kind of like make it brown. I took the brown ink and like dabbed it on the grass because it was kind of like really green. And I just glued some bats on the back, like they're flying in the background. And then I used a couple of, I can't see the other one because it's behind the ghost, but I used a couple of the Rapid Rats from Target that came in the little vials. And then over here we have a skeleton who drank some poison, and now he is just a mess. He's just not feeling good, and he is a disaster. So he's all falling apart, and yeah. And then here we have like a little haunted house with a ghost in the background, and we've got pumpkins, and we've got some some school stickers. This sticker set down here with the ghost, this, and this, and this one up here, these came in all in one set from Michael's. And this is also from Michael's. Oh, and that also came from that Michael's set too. And this is Michael's Dollar Tree right up here. And then down here we have our little witch, and she is cooking up a brew, and she's got spiders on the wall. She's got her little broom. We've got an eyeball on the wall, and there's that. She's got her cauldron that's bubbling over. Then in here we have a skeleton, and we have some witch's sage, and I put some creepy cloth on the floor, and then there's just like a skeleton, and these eyes, they're from a set, they're from like a shaker set, if you will, that I got on like Etsy. It's like a Halloween like polymer clay sequin shaker type set. So this is my haunted house, guys. I hope you liked it. I'm so glad that we did this. We had so much fun. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes it was stressful, like, oh my gosh, like this is a big project, you know, some of them. But at the end, I'm so glad that I did it, and I'm so thankful to all the girls that participated. There's 10 of us in this Witches Brigade Halloween Hop, and as always, everybody's channels will be linked below. Please go check them out and give them a like and tell them I sent you. Okay, have a great day, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.